Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good Thursday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. As you can see, this morning I'm here by myself. We're filming a little bit early because we've got to head to the airport for our flight to Serbia, to Belgrade today. So starting a little bit early without Winston, but don't worry, he'll be on next with the news. I just wanted to get my part in before we took off. We have a lot going on, really a lot of retail. That seems to be the theme. Where we've got 2 weeks to go before we have MAPIC, which is the biggest retail fair in Europe. We're going. I noticed not a lot of developers from Central Eastern Europe are going, but some are going to be there. Crystal and a few of the big ones with new projects will be there. From Crystal from Czech Republic. They've got a great new project in Brno, which if you're a retailer, definitely one to be in. We have our magazines there, big distribution. Also, our Europa Property magazines, also our Serbia Monthly, which will be out just in time for MAPIC as well. Then really on the retail side, the things that you should, of course, look out for MAPIC this year and next year, we have our CEE Retail Awards, which looks like we'll have about 25 or 30 new retailers coming. Again, it'll be sold out. So if you've got projects, if you've got opportunities for retailers, I'd say sign up now. Also, straight after that, in May 18th, we have our Marketplace-CEE. This is our third annual. We have over 200 retailers attending and really looking throughout Central Eastern Europe, Southeastern Europe for opportunities and to meet owners and developers of retail locations. We set up for that event. We have pre-meetings. We'll set up meetings, at least 5 meetings with you as an owner or agent of the owners to meet with retailers that want to expand into your project. So let us know about that one. The earlier you sign up for that, the absolute better. We do have limited space as well for that. We're doing it at Solvansky Dome and Empire Hall, which has limited space, but very good. We got a great conference as well during the day and in the morning. So a lot of great opportunities to find out a bit more about the market and also just really do deals with landlords and retailers. So it'd be interesting to see that. We'll shoot over to also. So if you're in Belgrade the rest of the week or next week, Monday, Tuesday, early Wednesday, I'd love to meet you. Monday night, we have a little cocktail party launching our magazines there as well, which you can get the newest Serbia Monthly and, of course, Europa Property magazines. And that'll be Monday night. So if you're in town, let me know. We'd definitely like to have you come to that in Belgrade. And having said that, we'll do a 20-second video, and then we'll be back with Winston Norman and the news. Enjoy the rest of the day, and Winston, take it away.
Good Thursday morning and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. And here are the news highlights from the EuropaProperty.com website. And we'll start today with a report from JLL. And they report that in Poland's largest regional cities, there's been a visible slowdown on the side of developers who are cautious about starting new office investments due to rising financing costs. Further, a significant portion of planned projects are dependent on securing a key tenant. According to JLL, at the end of Q3 2022, nearly 560,000 square meters of offices were under construction, and most of these will hit the market by 2024. However, it's likely that not all of these projects will be completed on time, and some will even be temporarily suspended due to the lack of a key tenant. As a result of this level of developer activity and the current economic situation, a new supply gap is expected in Poland's largest office markets, outside of Warsaw, starting in 2024. Moving to Warsaw, and on the leasing side, Mattel Poland is another global player to become a key tenant of the Skyliner office building in Warsaw, developed by Karampol. They will lease 660 square meters, and this new office will be their headquarters, and they will move in 2023, and CBRE brokered this deal. Moving to Romania, and Cushman & Wakefield Equinox has released some information on residential investors who are now interested in income-producing real estate assets. Income-producing properties are becoming an increasingly appreciated option for Romanian and foreign private investors who had previously been mainly active in the residential sector and are targeting trophy assets. Their focus is currently in all market segments, including office, retail, industrial, and hospitality. And according to Cushman & Wakefield, this category of buyers covers a market segment with limited exposure towards funds and institutional investors, as it does not fit their acquisition strategies. Therefore, whether we refer to entrepreneurs who have available liquidity resulting from other businesses or to families who have been already invested in real estate, private investors are extremely active nowadays, as they have made acquisitions of more than 200 million euros in the last 3 years alone. And staying in Romania, and Speedwell has launched sales for the apartments in the second phase of the residential building of Paltim. They're releasing a stock of 113 more units, and which will be available in the mixed-use development. The developer is developing on the promenade of the Biga River in Timișoara. And according to Jan Demire, he's the architect and co-founder at Speedwell, launching sales for the second building of Paltim marks an important milestone. We're happy to have arrived at this step, especially since the construction works are ongoing for the first building, with Strabag as a general contractor. Paltim is a mixed-use development that combines premium apartments with office and retail spaces, as well as 2 historical buildings that are going to be completely refurbished and renovated. And those are the highlights from the website for today. For more news, please join me again tomorrow.
Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.